Hi there, optical enthusiasts. Welcome to Opticore. I am Christina, and today we are diving into the world's premier optical event, MIDO. If you're an optical business, this is the event you cannot afford to miss. Stick around as we explore together what is MIDO all about, why you should visit it, who it's for, and how to make the best out of your trip to Milano. Let's get started. So what exactly is MIDO? MIDO, or the Milano Eyewear Show, is the largest international event dedicated to the global eyewear industry. Held annually in Milano, Italy, this exhibition showcases the latest in eyewear fashion technology and trends. It's where the entire optical community comes together, from designers and manufacturers to opticians. First held in 1970, MIDO has grown into a vibrant, must-attend event that attracts over 1,200 exhibitors from more than 50 countries. It's not just a trade show, it's a celebration of innovation and style in the world of optics. Now moving on to the first part of this video. Why and who should visit MIDO? Why should visit MIDO? Well, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve into optical business, MIDO is the place to be. This is your chance to meet industry leaders, establish new business connections, and to catch up with old friends. Here you'll discover the latest trends, groundbreaking technologies, and new collections before they hit the market. It's an excellent opportunity for networking, learning, and inspiration. Whether you are a distributor, retailer, designer, or healthcare professional, MIDO offers something valuable for everyone. Every professional in the optical industry will find plenty of inspiration and new products to offer their customers. Let's break it down by the business model. If you're an optical distributor, MIDO is your playground. You'll find yourself busier than ever, curating collections that you'll later present to your customers. For distributors, there are two main routes. First, there's private label, when distributors work directly with manufacturers, selecting from ready-made products or creating custom collections. This creative process lets you showcase your style and market knowledge, potentially transforming you into a designer and influencer. You can even create exclusive models that set your company apart. Then there's working with manufacturers of world-renowned brands. Distributors often invite their key account customers to the exhibition, offering a first-hand look at the latest collections. For other buyers, distributors compile a basic collection to present it later. No matter the collection type, attending MIDO is essential for understanding future trends, new technologies, and materials. It's also a great opportunity to observe how collections are presented and identify their main directions. If you represent a network of optical stores, MIDO is just as crucial. You'll see the season's trends, compare brands, and select new products, services, or equipment to meet your clients' highest demands. Don't overlook the importance of window displays, store designs, and the latest technologies that enhance product quality. Even as a small business owner, staying informed in optical industry is vital. Your clients are becoming more demanding and more informed each year. To keep up with their needs and to maintain your business profitable, you must attend MIDO to understand new technologies and new trends. This helps you plan your budget and your business strategy effectively. Consider bringing your staff, salespeople or optometrists to the exhibition. They can learn advanced sales techniques and customer service skills, seeing firsthand the difference between what they are currently doing and what can be done even better. So, whether you are a distributor, a part of a retail chain, or a small business owner, MIDO has something to offer. It's the ultimate event to stay ahead in the optical business, network with industry leaders, and be inspired by the latest innovations. Now let's talk about the exhibition itself. MIDO is held annually at Fiera Milano. The whole exhibition is divided into several themed parts, each showcasing the most important aspects of the optical industry. You'll find the fashion district where leading brands present their newest collections. and the Tech Zone, which highlights cutting-edge innovations in eyewear technology. There's also the Design Lab, featuring avant-garde and experimental designs, and the Startup Zone, a space dedicated to young and emerging designers. Every upcoming year expect even more exciting districts and special areas, making MIDO a rich and diverse experience. This isn't everything that can be found during the exhibition. Although these parts almost never change, keep in mind the exhibition itself is changing from year to year, showcasing different features and emphasizing different aspects of optical industry. Well, MIDO isn't just about seeing, it's about experiencing. The event is packed with activities that will keep you engaged and inspired. Attend presentations by industry experts who will share insights on market trends, sustainability, and the future of eyewear. Don't miss the unveiling of the new collections from top brands. It's a first look at what's going to be hot in the coming season. You'll also have the chance to meet designers who are pushing the boundaries of creativity and technology. And speaking of tech, the Tech Zone is where you can get hands-on with the latest advancements in lenses, materials, and digital solutions, which I will cover in an upcoming video. There's always something new and exciting around every corner at MIDO. Now, if you'd like to visit this monumental event, you definitely should pay close attention to the next part of this video. Now that we've established how important it is to attend MIDO, let's talk about planning your visit to make the most of your time there. Don't worry, planning a trip is easier than you think, especially with all the help from the organizer's website. First, start with registration. Head to the MIDO exhibition website and register as a visitor. You'll receive a badge via email that grants you access to all the exhibition areas. Next, figure out how you'll get to Milano. Whether it's plane, car, or train, your mode of transport will depend on where you're coming from. Depending on how much you want to do, consider arriving on Friday and leaving on Monday afternoon or Tuesday. This way you can make the most of your time at MIDO. And don't forget to book your accommodation. If you plan to stay close to the exhibition, there are plenty of hotels in Rome, near the exhibition center. The MIDO website even lists partner hotels offering special rates. If you want to explore Milano, choose a place in the city, but keep in mind, you'll need to commute daily to the exhibition. The metro or train are your best options for public transport. My tip? Look for a place near the blue train line or the red metro line, as both go directly to the exhibition. Personally, I love the Porta Venezia area. It's central and both transport lines pass through there. I prefer the train. It's faster, has fewer stops, and is less crowded. Once at the exhibition, planning your daily schedule is essential. The exhibition is massive. The pavilions are huge, so give yourself plenty of time to get from one place to another. If you have meetings planned, try to schedule them in the same pavilion to save time. The MIDO's website allows you to see the location of all the exhibitors. Schedule mandatory meetings one after another, but leave a gap of 15-20 minutes between them. This will allow you to create blocks of time to explore the other parts of the exhibition. If it's your first time and you don't have any meetings yet, set your priorities. Interested in partnering with someone specific? Visit the MIDO website, find company's information, and send meeting requests. If they don't respond, don't worry. Mark their booth on your map, bring plenty of business cards, and introduce yourself in person. Persistence pays off. Ran out of business cards? No problem. Exhibitors can scan your badge and get your contact data, ensuring they will follow up after the event. Remember, while work is important, one of the main rules at MIDO is to enjoy the atmosphere and energy. It's a unique experience that combines business with the vibrant culture of Milano. That's it. Now you know why MIDO is the must-attend event for anyone from optical business. From discovering the latest trends to networking with industry leaders, MIDO offers unparalleled opportunities to grow and innovate. I hope This guide will help you make the best of your trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on optical industry. See you next time on Opticore.